Little storyteller.
Ollie the octopus lived in a bubbly blue sea full of colorful coral and friendly fish. Ollie had big bright eyes and 8 wiggly arms. He loved watching the humans who came to the beach with their shiny surfboards. Ollie dreamed of riding the waves, just like them. He imagined gliding over the water, the salty spray tickling his suckers. One sunny morning, Ollie decided to try. He found a smooth, white piece of driftwood that looked just like a tiny surfboard. He pushed it out into the gentle waves near the shore, using 4 of his strong arms. Ollie paddled, paddle, paddle. His other 4 arms wiggled excitedly, trying to help him balance. The little driftwood wobbled. A friendly sea turtle with a sparkly green shell swam by. "Hello, Ollie," she called. "What are you doing?" Ollie grinned, showing his tiny octopus smile. "I'm trying to surf," he said, just as a small wave lifted his driftwood. Ollie wobbled some more, but he held on tight. He giggled as the water swished around him. It was wobbly, but it was fun. He wasn't quite gliding like the humans, but he was riding a wave. A fluffy white bunny was playing on the sandy beach, watching Ollie. She hopped closer to the water's edge, her pink nose twitching. She cheered, "You're doing it, Ollie. You're surfing." Ollie caught another little wave. This time, he felt a bit more steady. He used 4 arms to paddle and 4 to keep his balance. He whooshed over the small ripple, feeling very proud. The sea turtle smiled, and the bunny clapped her paws. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of pink and orange, Ollie rode one last tiny wave, all the way to the shore. He was tired, but very happy. Surfing was harder than it looked, but it was also lots of fun. The sea turtle and the bunny came to say goodbye. "That was amazing, Ollie," said the bunny. "You were so brave to try." Ollie smiled. "It was fun trying something new," he said, "even if I was a little wobbly." The sea turtle nodded. "It's important to keep trying, even if things are tricky at first." Ollie realized they were right. Trying new things can be a wonderful adventure, and even wobbly waves can bring lots of joy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.